Okay, we've let our figure set up and dry, so now we're going to start painting our base, or our adding our different colors. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate that. I've noticed that when using the metallic color, when I'm trying to do the red, it's just really hard to go through, so I think it's best if I paint white first, then the red will pop out a lot better. So we're going to continue on and get this painted up, and then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.